Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Kelly. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become part of the family. You won't want to miss what's coming up. Today, we have a fun day ahead of us. We're going to go to a state park. We don't usually go to a state park. That's what we're going to do today. Let's go. Nestled down in Missouri farmland, near Whiteman Air Force Base, in an open woodland area, is KNOB Noster State Park. Hey guys, we are down here at KNOB Noster State Park. It's located in between Sedalia and Warrensburg.
Grab your car keys and jacket, 'cause honey, we're ready to go.
KNOB is a hill, and Noster is Latin for ours, so it's our hills. They did excavations there, and they found Native American bones and artifacts. KNOB Noster State Park is a retreat of open oak woodland with a few patches of prairie along both sides of Clear Fork Creek. It's a great place for fishermen and for mountain bikers and hikers and horseback riders and just some good old-fashioned family time. The park has something I'm going to have to look up because I have no idea what this is. An oxbow slough, which has been officially named Pin Oak Slough Natural Area. Slough or slow? I don't know, guys. Maybe you can inform me. Okay, so my curiosity got the better of me. A slough forms along the edges of rivers where the old channel of the river once flowed. These areas are also referred to as oxbows because they tend to form at the bend in the old riverbed, which makes them look like the U-shaped collar placed around the neck of an ox. I left them in the truck. I should go back. What in blue blazes? During the Great Depression, a coalition of Kansas Cityans decided to make a recreation area. It was only 60 miles from Kansas City. It provided a lot of employment during the Great Depression. So they'd have a place to go down and hang out. They built all these fun little, camps like,
Two sisters
I can't think of the name of that movie. What's the name of that movie? KNOB Noster State Park offers organized group camps at Camp Bob White and Camp Shawnee. Camp Shawnee was made into a National Historic District in 1985, and it's part of the National Register of Historic Places. Here's a nice campfire story for you, in case you decide to come stay at KNOB Noster State Park. At one time, as noted in the haunted Heartland, a hermit lived up on the hill, and as hermits do, he kept to himself and avoided people as much as possible. The man had a slave who was well liked by the locals, but one summer, people realized that they hadn't seen the servant in some time. The next time the hermit came down to town, he was asked about his slave, but all he did was glare and walk away. Rumors of a murder had begun to circulate through the town. One night, there was a terrible lightning storm, and someone reported that he had seen a lantern moving slowly along the ridge on KNOB Noster when he saw a bolt of lightning strike the hill. The next day, several men went up to check on the hermit and found him dead, with a look of terror on his face. Not long after that, people reported seeing the lantern moving along the ridge during storms, and the ghost light is still spotted 140 years later. KNOB Noster State Park, where the light still bobs on stormy nights. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!